Areas in KELOLAND are getting their first taste of winter this week.
And while most people don't think of October when they think of snow, getting snow this early isn't unheard of.
In this week's Flashback Friday, we take a look at an October storm that hit eastern KELOLAND in 1982.
The 3 to 6 inches of snow in eastern KELOLAND is causing hazardous travel. Minor traffic accidents have been reported, and low visibility has caused the cancellation of some flights at the Sioux Falls Airport. Officials from Northern States Power say the wet snow has caused about 10 isolated power outages. This much snow is unusual for this time of year.
Oh, just a little bit early, maybe a week or two early. It usually comes a little bit later. Our average snowfall is only ½ an inch in October, so it's a little bit early.
The moisture began as rain mixed with snow, and an occasional clap of thunder was heard throughout the day.
Strange, but it's not unusual. We get snow and thunder almost every year, at least once, either in the fall or in the spring. Getting thunderstorms that are actually just like summertime, except they're below freezing, and so instead of rain, it's snow.
The early snow brought lots of complaints, but some took time out to enjoy it. However, according to the Weather Service forecast, it's doubtful this snowman will last long. Bobby Lauer, KELOLAND News.
To see more stories from our archive, just search Flashback Friday on KELOLAND.com. See, they're having fun with the snow, too.
And it happens all the time in October, right?
Making snowmans.
I think everybody's happy as long as they know that it's probably going to go away in a few days.
And that's what Brian and Grant have been telling us, right, guys?
That's what Brian says.
Yeah, well, it's going to be gone. And it's not new, is it? Isn't that interesting how history shows us that we've been down this road a few times? I've seen the leaves before in Sioux Falls in early October freeze, well, basically have a flash freeze. We've had actually much colder weather than this.